Hello, I'm image consultant Sandy Dumont, known as the Image Architect, and I've been in business for more than 30 years. And I'd like to tell you about my masterclass for image consultants. It's especially designed for consultants who are new in the business, or if you've been in the business a few years and you just can't get your business on the right track or can't get your client base built up. It's intended to help you get on the fast track and overcome any obstacles that you might have encountered. I can answer questions about marketing, your newsletter, your blog, your website, and how to build up a client base. In fact, how to set up a very effective home office, if that's what you'd like to do. That's what I do. This is my regular office. This is not my studio. It's in another part of my house, but I'll explain all those things to you, and I will also tell you how you can be certain of your analysis when you're doing color analysis. So I hope you will join me in my upcoming class, my master class for image consultants. I will help you get over the hump and take you to the next level, maybe even take you several levels higher. So please email me or give me a call, and you'll find more information on my website.